Discuss a problem on quadratic expressions. Alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus px plus q equal to 0. Form a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha minus beta whole square and alpha plus beta whole square. First, given that alpha comma beta are roots of x square plus px plus q equal to 0. So, from the quadratic equation, sum of the roots alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, that is minus p by 1. Alpha beta equal to c by a, that is q by 1. Here we have these two relations, alpha plus beta equal to minus p and alpha beta equal to q. Now we have to find out the quadratic equation if it has the roots alpha minus beta whole square. It is the one root, that is a, and the other root alpha plus beta whole square is equal to b. So the quadratic equation can formed as x square minus of a plus b into x plus ab is equal to 0. Okay, this is the required equation. Here take alpha minus beta whole square, that is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Here alpha plus beta equal to minus p whole square minus 4 alpha beta is q, that is p square minus 4q. It is equal to alpha minus beta whole square equal to p square minus 4q. Then find out alpha plus beta whole square equal to alpha plus beta value is minus p whole square equal to p square. Now we find out the sum of the roots a plus b equal to alpha minus beta whole square plus alpha plus beta whole square. It is equal to alpha minus beta whole square value is p square minus 4q. Alpha plus beta value is p square. P square plus p square 2p square minus 4q. Here product of the roots ab equal to alpha minus beta whole square into alpha plus beta whole square. Alpha minus beta whole square is p square minus 4q into p square. Now these values substitute in the required equation. That equation is x square minus of 2p square minus 4q into x plus ab value is p square into p square minus 4q is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. From the given equation, x square plus px plus q, which has the roots alpha and beta.